Welcome back. Quick review of yesterday's trades. Recording went completely wrong again. I'm down 260 this morning. Again, every single day I lose in the morning session. I saw this big spike down. The only reason I got in, I saw this big spike down. I took a trade, re-entered, straight against me, took me out, and it's probably going to continue down. Whatever. I'm up now 1151. I was up 1400. So just look at the stats. We'll show you. So stats now 1151. Brilliant. It's a nice dip. 797 yesterday. That looks a lot better than it was. I almost blew my account again. The video is about 3.5 hours long. Extremely stressful day again. Because I'll show you the price action. This at the open killed me. So I'm bearish. It looked good. Went against me, took me out. 500 loss. Got in again, took me out. 500 loss. Again, 500. Plus I was 300 down before the start of the session. So it was about 1,800. So I had about $200 of my account left. I entered here. It then went my way. I re-entered. Big position. Carried on and then dumped. Got my account back plus 200. And then I traded off the bottoms here. Counter trend. That was based on the levels which hit down here. So this was a little one for break even, and then I got in, nice win, again, nice win. I was happy with that, but man, I was that far from losing my account. And that's about, you look at the returns I've got, you just have to be realistic with yourself. I was saying about it needs to be sustainable, because these days, like I've been close to losing my account. I think that day, on the Monday, I think it was, or the Friday, can't remember. That's why you record videos. And I've done the same. I've been negative every single day I've started because my stupid habit of trading before the market, because it just doesn't have the same price action that I'm expecting. So it's not as quick. That should be a flush down and a move. With the way I trade, it looks like you've got massive bearish momentum, stops dead and reverses. That's going to take me out every time, but I haven't lost money. We're 260 down, we're 1151 up. That's a good thing. I wanted to get to 2000 today. That's not going to happen. Not now. So, yeah, my loss limit's still the 2000, so we're about 1700. I want to get a buffer. I wanted to get past the 2000, start building a positive buffer. Until I can get to that level, I've got to trade what I thought was carefully. Crazy. But it's been a crazy time. I've not known it this difficult. Just to get some kind of consistency going. The summer I found a lot easier because price action was smoother. But the chop is my nemesis. It is the way it is. I could wait. You can wait till after the open. You see, you can always say, right, I'll wait half an hour after the open. Well, half an hour here puts you, okay, it would have been in a good position there. Drops off, that would have been fine. So let's look at half an hour here. Half an hour here puts you right into the middle of the chop. So you're still going to get chopped. Not as many times. That was once. Just look back again. If you leave it half an hour from the open. Again here, so we're looking at 3. See, that's going to be a crappy time. You could enter short there. You're going to get taken out and chopped. Reversal works. That was the 3rd. That was Friday, wasn't it? That was not an easy day. Not an easy day. The reversal happened quick. And just a trading range day. Anyway, I'll leave that to it. Just to recap, sorry the video, it was about 3 hours of freaking disaster and commentary and me swearing again. So, I don't know whether you want to see all the videos regardless, but 3 hours long, I think it's too long to upload anyway. Take forever. So, I don't know whether you're interested in seeing those things. Give me a comment if you're interested in them, but I'm trying to get them around an hour, because that's all I like to trade. But recently I've had to trade a lot more than that, because it's been fucking tough, to say the least. These grey hairs, you see? That's trading. That is. I haven't got on this side. I can't do much thinking. This side must be thinking side. Not easy. Not easy price action for the way I trade. Lovely when we get like yesterday, but because I was so far negative, all this great trading just got me out of my negative hole I was in. So it was, this should have been holding. Does it work? If you hold, just keep holding. See, it doesn't work here. You can hold it. You're going to get some move. I'm thinking just to hold off the open, but here it doesn't work. You can't just hold because you're going to get taken out. Unless you put an open and then just a stop in, get taken out versus... Difficult. I'm going to try and take larger one positions, not scaling as much, I think. I've been scaling 3 micros and I was up full allocation virtually. I was 18 micros short when it plummeted, which was great. I came out too early. I could have got more going down. I got one more trade here and that was it. But I come out of my big position because I recovered my account, which is you're just back to where you started. So we're not making forward progress. Anyway, I'll stop babbling. Have a good one. I'm going to record today. Hopefully I'll get an active session you can actually watch.